Okay, this is Joyfay 5000 watt pure sine inverter. Now this inverter worked for about a year and then recently gave off a loud sound, and I decided to loose it up. I noticed that it had two transistors damaged on the board. Let me see if I can focus it. I have this inverter on all the time with a 36. It's designed to work at 36 volts, and I have it on a battery bank being charged by a outback charge controller, and I have 3 solar panels on this system to run my pump. So when I want my pump on, I will switch on the inverter automatic with a switch, and I'll switch it on with a switch, and it would bring on the pump. So I have the switch at about 3 locations in the home. So when I want the water to come up, I just switch the switch on and I get water up. So the inverter is always on. But it comes on when they activate the switch to get the water up and the pump running. Now this inverter, I have to pause this to show you the bottom is very elaborate. This is the bottom side of one of the boards. You can see they have a lot of transistors at the bottom. The larger transistors in the middle, and you have the smaller transistors and a lot of diodes. And these are the transformers. You have about 15 transformers here. I also have my grid tie inverter. This inverter works with 4 of these boards. It's a 5000 watt power jack grid tie inverter. This board, the capacitors burst on it, and one of the power transistors damaged. I changed that. I put in the diodes, and so far I haven't finished repairing it, but most of the boards I have upgraded the capacitors from 6 or something to volts to 100 volts, and the microfarads from about 3300 to 6800. I have it working for a couple of years now, and since I've repaired the other boards, they haven't given any problem. This is the one I recently fixed, but it's not completely finished as yet. When you put it on, you get the red light, and when you put on the ESC, the light's supposed to change from red to green. I think the circuit is made pretty okay. I have about 12 panels hooked up to this in a series parallel arrangement, 36 volt system. This inverter can work from 28 to 50 something volts. So I'll work on it and see what's the problem. I may have to take out one of the good boards and do some troubleshooting, because I don't have a diagram for it as yet.